Hi, my name is Ron Sherrick and I'm the Vice President of Electrical Supply at CBT Company. We here at CBT Company are excited to announce that we are an authorized HOFFMAN On Demand distributor of HOFFMAN's new Quick Ship program, currently making CBT the only HOFFMAN distributor of this type within Southwest Ohio and the regional tri-state area. It means we are committed to providing you with faster access to HOFFMAN enclosure and thermal management products so you can get the solution you need when your business demands it. You can select from a core set of industry-leading products that cover a full range of application needs, including push-button junction box, wall mount, freestand, floor mount, and modular enclosures, HMI and industrial wireway, thermal management solutions, and accessories. As part of the HOFFMAN On Demand program, we have ready-to-ship inventories that are based on local needs. You can rely on us at CBT Company to have the products you need available now. To learn more about HOFFMAN On Demand and how we can help you do your business faster, visit us at cbtcompany.com.